The instruments and supplies we will be using in this video are a marking pen. We recommend using a sterile surgical skin marker. Ring opening pliers, used to open jewelry. Ring tightening or closing pliers, used to close jewelry. Rubber finger cots. These are little rubber tips placed over the ends of opening and closing pliers. They are for single-service use only. That is, after each person is pierced, they are removed and disposed of. Finger cots cannot be washed or sterilized for reuse. You will also need latex gloves. Again, a single-service item. Gloves are always worn from the beginning of the piercing procedure to after the piercing is completed. This includes during setup and breakdown. You will also need an iodine solution for cleaning the skin around the piercing area. Cotton swabs to apply the iodine solution. Or you can use a single-service disposable wipe with iodine already applied, a convenient and sterile way to clean the piercing area. You will need two types of forceps, the Pennington style and the Forrester style. Both styles are available with slotted ends. Forceps are always autoclave sterilized before and after every piercing and kept in their sterilized pouch. Rubber bands, placed on forceps to keep them closed during piercing and for your finger cots. A sterilized piercing needle, kept in its sterile bag. The same gauge size as the jewelry being inserted should be used. A cork, to receive the needle after the needle has pierced the skin. A germicide, such as wavicide, used to soak jewelry before being used and to spray down your work surface. Jewelry should be soaked at least 20 minutes before inserting into the skin. Disposable plastic cups, for soaking your jewelry in the germicide. If you don't use wavicide, be sure to pick a proper substitute. Always read the instructions carefully before using. A lap cloth. This is a disposable polyback paper cloth used to keep your work surface clean. Bassett tray tube, storage container to a single-service disposable container and for single-service applications of ointment. Spray bottles, for alcohol and green soap and wavicide cleaner if you did not buy the spray bottle size. Stainless steel tray or a specially designed container with cover to receive contaminated forceps and tightening pliers. The only way to store instruments safely until they can be re-sterilized. A sharps container to receive and store used needles. Glass or stainless steel containers with lids for clean storage of cotton balls, rubber gloves, rubber bands, finger cots, or tongue depressors. You will also need plastic bags, paper towels, 6-inch paper plates, a small flashlight, scissors, Dermacell tape, disposable razors, a mirror, measuring tools, and jewelry. Your disposable supplies should be purchased new and should be used only for the purpose of piercing. Last but certainly not least, you will need a sterilizer. We recommend using the combination of heat and pressure. This is the only process that ensures complete sterilization. The best device for this kind of sterilization is, of course, the autoclave.